Hi, we're in Azure Ml Studio and we want to quickly look at the register dataset for this experiment. The dataset is the bank marketing dataset. So we're going to open it up and click on Explore. Alright, this is the data and it contains 21 columns and 10,000 rows, of which you can see only 50 in this page. So we are going to go to experiment and see our already completed experiment. So we're going to open it up, and as you can see, the status here shows completed. So we're going to click on it and see the model generated. Here is showing completed and the best model is foreign ensemble. So we're going to click on models and see other models. As you can see here, there are a bunch of models generated during this experiment, and our interest is in the best model, which is the foreign ensemble. That's what we're going to consume. So we click on it. As you can see, we've already deployed this model, so the deploy status is showing as succeeded. This is our logs generated when we run logs.py to enable application inside. So next we need to execute swagger.sh to download the latest container and then launch Swagger. As you can see in the terminal, we have the outputs after we've run swagger.sh. So we've run python serve.py, and here we are going to preview the API documentation of our model. As you can see down here is the API documentation of our model. Next, we have to consume the model. So we modify the endpoint.py by adding the scoring URI and then the primary key. So after this, we're going to run endpoint.py. As you can see, we've done that already, and we'll see the result of our model. We are back in Notebook, and we are going to use the notebook provided. You can see we've run all the cells and the experiment is shown as completed. So we're going to go to Azure Ml Studio to take a look at this. As you can see here, when it opens up, that all experiments associated with the pipeline is completed, and the one of AutoML is completed too. So we see that the pipeline has the bank marketing dataset. It's showing as completed, so we're going to open it up and see the graph here. Everything is completed. So we click on pipelines, we open it up, and we see the status as completed. So in this graph, you can see the status also shows as completed. So we go to the endpoint section, I click on endpoints. Then we go to pipeline endpoints. So when we click on that, we're going to see that the status is active and the REST endpoint link is provided. Thank you.